And this time.
Colo with me. You feel me?
We out here.
You won't believe the Uber we took up here. All in fat burger. Like fuck. All in fat burger.
For me. Fat burger. Cause feel me? We out here though. On bikes.
And fat burger.
Right there, I start giving it. I linked in. Start giving it.
So you can oil change them and tune them up and stuff? I ain't got the time, bro. I might, give me your cost, man.
Yeah,
I
for
got
sure.
a couple of them I want
I'm
to go
telling you,
through.
I asked him how much he'd sell at. He said give him a good price. And he'll let that motherfucker go. He got a couple of them.
Yeah, cause I already see that's a hit.
Ooh, I let off fast. I'm up this. You seen it, huh?
He was like, I'm like, dude, he can't handle it.
Nah, this motherfucker fast. I can't handle this yet.
Push it back down.
I don't downplay my baby. You wasn't even trying to get it, huh?
Let us be on the main line. I'm taking that. He got that because he's right here. Yeah, this bike gonna do it. Throw some springs.